In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make $100 an hour. If you are interested, go ahead and stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Building My Economy, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I share opportunities to make money online, such as affiliate marketing, freelance, side hustles, and online jobs. So if you are interested in any of these topics, go ahead and subscribe, and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we are going to go ahead and dive into this video, but before we do, I just wanted to remind you, tomorrow I will be announcing the winner for the gift card giveaway that I'm doing, and if you have not participated, you still have time to participate. The deadline is until midnight of the 23rd, because the 24th I will be announcing the winner on a community post and also a video, YouTube shorts. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. And we're gonna go ahead and dive into this video, but before we do, I just want to mention, if you are interested in wanting to learn how to build a passive income stream online to where you can eventually stop trading your time for money all the time, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. I will be sharing a little bit more details in regards to what I'm talking about there with you, and we're gonna go ahead and just dive into this website. This is the first company that I have. It's called Respondent, and I will be leaving the link to both websites that I'm going to be talking about in the description below this video. So if you are interested, go ahead and scroll down and click or tap on the link. You'll be directed to this website, and this is the first company that I wanted to share with you, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. So once we're here, we're going to go ahead and click where it says Respondents. And that is going to provide us with details in regards to become a respondent and how to make money using this website or signing up for this website. So it says, get paid to help cutting edge projects come to life. It says a respondent is the best place to leverage your professional and expertise to pay for paid research interviews. And here it does show you an example. It says our researchers are looking for business personals of all kinds. For people that are in the software development group, they pay an average hourly incentive of about $200, enterprise $150, marketers $150, business owners is $500, executives is $700 an hour, and sales and support $100 an hour. And if you are interested, you can come here and read as to how it works. Okay, here it shows you the step-by-step, and then you can even earn money by referring your friends. And if you're interested in coming and reading more about the company, you can find their information here, or you can even click and so if it's something that fits as to what you're looking for, you can just click on sign up and get to create your profile and get to making money. So yeah, this is a company that offers the option to make up to $700 an hour. That's the highest I've ever seen when it comes to these companies, the ones that I've done a video on. And we're gonna go ahead and move on to the second company. This one, it's called Probe Market. Okay, and like I said, I will be leaving the link to these companies in the description below this video, so you can tap or click on it and you'll be directed to the website. So here it talks a little bit about the company and how you can get paid to become a respondent with them. So here they show a little bit of information about the company and stuff. So if you're interested, you can come and read that yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and click where it says get paid to tell us what you think, and that is going to tell you a little bit more information about the company and what they're looking for and stuff, and they provide an option for you to get started. Now for this company, according to Glassdoor, the respondents or the people who share their opinions here can make an average of $50 to $400 an hour or per project. It depends on what they have available and stuff. I did look on this site to find how much they pay, but I didn't find the information here, so I did rely on what Glassdoor had to offer. Okay, so yeah, these are the two companies I wanted to share today. If you found value in this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, leave us your comments, your questions, and also keep in mind what these companies have to offer. It's a great option. It is, I mean, who wouldn't like to make $200, $150, $500 an hour? But do keep in mind that sometimes these is not going to be available for you to do every single day, and maybe you're not going to be making $500, $700, $150 an hour every single day. So that's one thing that you need to keep in mind. And I think this is just a great way to create a little side hustle and stuff. But if you're interested in building a sustainable passive income stream online, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. I will be sharing more details in regards to that there with you. And yeah, that is all that I have for today. Like I said, I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. That helps the video and with the YouTube algorithm, and also it helps me understand that you like content like this so that I can keep on creating it. And yeah, that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time. Stay safe, and until next time.